If you were to Google what is happiness, it would most likely come up with the dictionary definition stating noun is the state of being happy, which is all well and good if you're writing an essay or a novel, but for us we're looking for a bit more of a philosophical kind of answer. What is happiness? So, to find out, I'm here at the University of Portsmouth Library to try and delve a little bit deeper into the question. It was in the 19th century when doctors noticed that there was something strange about people with brain injuries. It seemed that people with damage on the left side of their brain were more likely to become depressed than those who were to damage the right side. In Richard Layard's Happiness, he says that a new science has emerged that measures what happens in the brain when people experience positive and negative feelings. Good feelings are experienced with the brain's left-hand side, just behind the forehead. And if this part of the brain does go dead, the subject may feel depressed. Bad feelings are connected with brain activity behind the right-hand side of the forehead, and when that part of the brain is out of action, people can feel elated. Thanks to such scientific breakthroughs such as this, it has transformed the way that we think about happiness. Initially, if someone said that they were happy, skeptics would hold that as just a subjective statement. But now we know that what people actually feel corresponds closely to the actual levels of activity in different parts of their brains, which are able to be measured in standard scientific ways. There are hundreds of websites, as well as books, that give you tips on how to be happy. WikiHow is an example of that. You know, that spin-off website that leaked all of Hillary Clinton's emails. Anyway, WikiHow is a website that dedicates itself into trying to answer as many questions as possible. So if you type in how to be happy, you will be bombarded with lists and articles just saying what you need to do to be happy. But let's not get distracted here. Whilst this web article may have been written by someone who's trying to make a living from clickbait and AdSense, there are still a bunch of other websites out there devoted to trying to answer people's woes in an attempt to make them happy, which may cause more of an issue than a solution. The way I see it, by all means, take on board what these websites, web articles and books may say, and give them a go. I mean, if we look at some statistics, they say that 20 minutes a day in good weather can boost positive moods. Apparently, happiness is maximised at 13.9 degrees Celsius. In a study of sleep-deprived college students, 81% of them were able to remember more negative words than positive ones. And an income of £16,000 is supposedly all you need for a minimal increase in happiness. The list just goes on. But this is the issue that I have. Despite these facts may all be true, they aren't very personal. They're rather broad, and realistically speaking, no one really knows yourself better than you do.